Oh, from Hot Chat. How are we doing? Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to go over our new super compact diesel series unit. New super compact diesel. I like it. High power, smaller engine, non-turbo, enormous radiator by Yanmar. We've worked hard and long to get a good price, great engine. Granted, Kubota, God, they'd probably shoot me, but Kubota's still the best. Yanmar, still a heck of a motor. Think about it. Ever heard of John Deere? You can take this to any John Deere dealer because they make all John Deere's motors. I feel like a used car sales guy. All right, so these guys requested a frame enclosure. This one holds our other Yanmar engines that are bigger. So we just stayed with the same frame. Got my gloves on. Just made an operational video. I'll put them on when we're operating. So take a look at this engine and the size of the radiator. I think you gotta be nuts to be running a diesel air-cooled motor. And God bless the guys that make them. That's fine for a lot of applications. But your number one problem in machinery is heat buildup, right? Diesel burns a lot hotter than gas because of all the oil in it. This is a superior setup. We're gonna run it. I don't have a mic. I don't know what I did with it, but it's somewhere. I hawked it. That's what everyone thinks I did. So what I like, again, about our design over everybody's, you can get at it. So we can put this on a single axle trailer, tandem axle. These guys wanted a big trailer. It's going to a military base. So we'll keep walking around. I mean, just look at the filters. Dual fuel filters. Right here. Oil filter. I mean, what a design. I think they're really covering their bases. Our hydraulic system's right there. Water flow, low water shut off. And this is kind of what we're known for. All your safety stuff's right here. Best toolboxes in the industry. Again, I don't like cheap. If you want to go cheap, that's for the low-ender guys. That's great. I even think that with interest rates still in this economy, we're going through the COVID thing, man, they're down to where they're really time to look at a new piece of equipment now. We're looking at retooling and buying new equipment, looking at our processes. Because, man, alive, you can refinance for pennies on the dollar. That's what I like. Our units come loaded with the stingers, depending on the package, of course, the nozzle sets. And we don't give you just one nozzle and say, oh, here you go. We don't include the crescent wrenches. Mechanics will kill us. Best remotes in the industry. Take a look at our control panel. This unit will tell you everything. Just kind of give you an idea. I'll press a couple of these. RPM, how much load you got on the engine. I don't know if you can see that or not. Soot load, inlet temp, outlet temp, it's cooling down, intake fresh air temp, barometric pressure, battery voltage, coolant temp, hours. I mean, this, it's just, I'm in love. Got our lights here. Check out our strobe, rear lights. Come a long ways. The guys have worked on this. Got remote operation. You got manual operation. You got low water. We can defeat the low water operation just by flipping this up right here. That means you can run your water down. Battery charger, light charger, emergency kill. Again, this is a bigger trailer than our other trailers. Wash down reel. This one's got 500 feet a half. Full micro adjustable hydraulic, as well as free flow out. Just nice stuff. These guys just wanted big fast fill. Take a look at the toolboxes. Nice stuff. Hydraulic tank again. Beautiful diesel fuel tank. Got extra keys for that so nobody's messing around. We took the panels off for this video. Big fuel strainer. 5-cylinder pump. We like these 5-cylinder pumps. Bleeder, oil check. Everything's accessible. That's what I like about our equipment. You can get at it. We may not build the most compact units on the planet. This one we can if you want the small diesel. They're rolling out here in a couple weeks when we get the next order of diesels in. And we're known for our trailers. These are badass heavy duty. I don't want to have somebody have what's that called? The sweetness of a low price sure soon goes away when if the quality's not there, right? So I love this engine. We're going to fire it up here in just a sec. So next one, that was our overview. Next video we'll do operation. Thanks.